Talk about batch producing and why you need to batch produce your content in order to keep your content fresh and keep yourself well rested. So let's start about why do you need to batch produce. Well, because batch produce helps you to have a bunch of videos in advance and helps you with the burnout. So burnout is a real thing on YouTube. Is This happens because people are creating content over and over and over and over again. They think that they can stay fresh for really long time, but when they're actually doing this for years, or at least for the months and even years, they realize that they are stuck in an infinite loop of scripting, of coming up with the video ideas, scripting the video, recording the video, editing the video, uploading video, then coming up with an ideas, scripting, recording, editing, uploading. It's on and on and on and on. It doesn't matter what we are talking about, what type of videos we're talking about. It doesn't matter what schedule you have every day, every week, every month. Doesn't matter. The shorter the time span is, the worse it will be for you, and it is very bad. And actually batch producing helps you to alleviate this problem, because with batch producing you'll have more time to come up with the new ideas and approaches to keep your channel fresh. The question, how the batch producing app actually helps you to come up with the new ideas? Well, because you are creating the videos in a certain niche, there's most likely that you already know how to, you already have ideas for a bunch of videos, 2, 3, 5 videos in advance, and you already know that you want to create these videos in the future. What you need to do, you'll need to sit down and create all those videos in a shorter time span, in the same time span that you need to do one video. For example, if you're doing one video a week, it doesn't mean that actually means that you need an entire week to make a video. It's basically the comfortable the time frame that you chose for yourself to create a video, as we talked in one of the previous lectures. So it doesn't mean that you need an entire week to do a lecture, and that means that for entire week you can actually create 2, 3, 4, 5 videos, depending on how much free time you can actually have. You can batch produce all these videos, and now if you create 4 videos, for example, if you create 4 videos in advance, you will be free for the next 4 weeks of the videos to sit down, have more time to come up with new ideas again and approaches to keep your channel fresh. Plus, the videos that you created all in one go will have more time to, how can I say, to brew and to see how these videos actually act and what results they are giving to you. So that's why batch producing is very good. So despite what people thinking, batch producing is not that difficult. It's difficult for the beginners, but because now more intermediate sections, I'm pretty sure we already know how to create videos, and I'm pretty sure we already know how you can increase the speed of the creation of these videos. So how to actually batch produce? From this slide, it is not very clear, right? But no, but I'm gonna explain this to you. You're gonna batch script videos first. You're gonna sit down and just thinking about the videos, scripting about the videos, maybe spend an entire day just scripting the videos, just having understanding what your videos will be all about, and then maybe connecting those videos with each other, which is very good and will help you to create amazing playlists. This is very cool thing to have, because you have created all the videos or scripted all the videos all at once, and now you know exactly how to time them with each other, and each video can refer to another one, which is very good. After you are done scripting, you're gonna batch record all at once, which usually does not take that much time. Recording usually takes the least amount of time. Scripting and editing takes more, because if you are ready, of course, if you are doing some people are just do not script and just go to the recording. I was doing this in the past. I was going directly to the recording, and it took much longer like that, just going through the recording. So I'll suggest you go through the scripting. And the last but not least is batch editing, which usually takes the most time because you'll have a lot of videos to edit. But after you're done editing, you can just go and upload the videos and then just continue editing, and you will have just more time. And usually, like if you are doing 3 videos in advance, you will be done at the time of 2 in a time of 1 video, and you'll have basically 2 weeks for free. Do not work more than 3 videos at the same time. Do not do it, because you can go through the scripting phase with ease. It will be a bit difficult to go through the recording phase with more than 3 videos, and it will be very, very difficult to go through the editing phase, because editing takes a bunch of time. If you have an editor, if you hired an editor, or if someone else is editing videos for you, then by all means you can go with it if you want. But for yourself, do not go for more than 3 videos. Again, batch producing is not an absolute necessity, but it's very, very welcome, because it will help you prevent your burnout. And this is how I am doing all these things. At least if I cannot batch edit, I'm batch scripting and batch recording at least, because I do not have that much time to just sit down and spare entire day or two to the editing of bunch of videos. But with at least bunch of batch scripting and batch recording, I'm allowing myself to come up with the new ideas quicker and better, to keep my channel fresh, not just for my viewers but for myself, which is far more important, because if it is not fresh for me, it will definitely not be fresh for my viewers. So this will be it for this one. Let's go to the next one.